Let's see how you can embed a Microsoft Excel worksheet into Microsoft PowerPoint slide. So you just have to select the area of the worksheet that you want to embed, then you right click and copy. So when you come to Microsoft PowerPoint, you just have to right click. So right click and then use this paste option, embed, then click. You can adjust the width to the size you want. What it means is that you can make some changes here and the formula will be affected. Calculation will be done perfectly as it should be in Microsoft Excel. So if I change this one to, let's say, 90, so the formula still work for it. And if I should change this one to, let's say, 60, the formula still works. Calculate the 70%. So if you change this one to, let's say, 45, 100, it calculates 70% of 100, which is 70. So that is how to embed Microsoft Excel worksheet into Microsoft PowerPoint slide.